Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see that market is behaving like a typical Monday market. There is not much activity movement right after the market opening, and we were kind of ready because usually market prefers to sleep during the first half and market wakes up and shows some volatility usually during the US session. So more or less the structure of GBPUSD is still very much intact. If you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So right now GBP/USD is standing at 1.2425. This is the current market price. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that DXY is showing some correction. As discussed, DXY is weak both fundamentally and technically. Though DXY tried to recover, but we can see that DXY is not very positive right now. During the US session, if the recovery mode is on DXY, if DXY tries to recover also, the road will not be very easy. There will be multiple resistances. The first resistance will be around 102, then 102.50, then 103. There will be multiple resistances on DXY because the chart is under the dominance of sellers. As a result, there will be multiple layers of resistances. And if the same volatility of the market remains, then in the previous video, we discussed about the possibility of going down further. But if this is the volatility of the market and this volatility remains, then this support on DXY should work. The support of 100.80. This level should work as support if the volatility of the market remains like this. So let's wait and watch how the market reacts, especially during the US session. And as there is not much activity going on in the market. And if you look at the chart of GBPUSD, then we discuss about the possibility of a breakout because we have a clear ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern is a bullish triangle pattern. Before I proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime who have sponsored today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, but also you can use these tools as additional confirmation in your analysis and take your trading to the next level. They also have a community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. And my dear friends, probably you all have seen me talking about Chart Prime for the last couple of months. And my dear friends, trust me, their service is really awesome. My dear friends, as we all know it very well, that no tool, no trader, no company is 100% accurate. But with proper risk management and additional help from a tool like Chart Prime, you can definitely expect to earn some good money and change your trading completely. And to know about the functioning of these tools, you can simply go to their website chartprime.com, and under tutorial section you will find many videos. In case you are still confused about the functioning of the indicators, you can simply go to the Discord channel. You'll see that they conduct 2 weekly classes. In one class they teach about the functioning of the indicators, and in second class they talk about the strategies that you can use with the help of these indicators. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold in front of us, and as you can see that there are many signals generated by their tool Market Oracle. Possible reversal down means there's a possibility that the market will be going down, so you should go for a sell. Possible reversal up means the tool is saying that you should be looking for buy position. Possible reversal down means you should be looking for sell position. It may look like a magic, but my dear friends, again I'm repeating, no tool is 100% accurate, so proper risk management is extremely important. And Prime Oscillator is another powerful tool where you will see divergences. Those who know how divergences work, this will be very, very useful. I'm a fan of divergence. Okay, so this oscillator is a very powerful tool. Okay, and in addition to that, there are some other tools also, indicators like pattern detector, smart money concept. Okay, you can check them out later on. And the best part is the pricing. Okay, we can see that the pricing is very competitive in comparison to the other players. Okay, you can see that they only charge $57 per month, which is quite less in comparison to the other service providers in this category. Okay, at first you can simply try the tool for 1 month and I'm sure you'll love it. Use the link in the description to get 30% discount at the checkout. The discount is available on monthly and quarterly plans only. If you're looking for discount on annual plan, please let me know. I'll get it for you from the chart prime. You can also scan the QR code on the screen for faster registration. Please check them out. And right now we can see that after the market opening, though there was some correction, but market took support around the 100 moving average and market is showing some recovery. If you have taken a buy position, if you're holding any buy position on GBP USD, I'll say that you can be on the trade, no need to exit because GBP USD is bullish right now and there is a possibility that in the coming days, okay, GBP USD will be going for a breakout. If you are holding any sell position right now, then I'll say that you need to be careful because we can see that DXY is not very positive right now and there is no news also today that will bring some volatility to the market. There is no news in the market, so whatever we will see, mostly it will be on the base of technicals. Okay, so DXY is weak right now and there is no big news also coming up that will completely change the direction of the market. After all, for a trend reversal, okay, we need a news, we need a fundamental factor that we don't have yet. So as a result, DXY is weak. And if you look at the chart of GBPUSD, as I said, okay, if you're holding any buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit. And if in case during the day, market shows some correction, market starts falling, then your next support will be 1.2365 to 1.2355 that we discussed on Saturday as well. 1.2365 to 1.2355. This is the next support on the chart of GBP USD if if gold shows some correction. Right now already it is standing as support, but in case the present support fails, this is the next support on the chart of GBP USD and the ultimate support is quite far away, that is 1.2278 and 1.2255. This level is quite far away, no need to discuss about this level. So let's keep our eyes on this particular portion of the chart only. And as I said, as we have an ascending triangle pattern here, so yes, in the coming days there is a big possibility that market will be going up and we will get to see further upside or trend continuation on the chart of GBP USD. Let's wait and watch. Again, I'll say that if you're holding buy position, be on the trade. Anyways, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Please follow proper risk management. 100% accuracy is not possible. So risk management is extremely important. Bye bye, take care, be careful, and please be careful, especially during the US session, because on Monday market gets crazy during the US session. We don't have any news yet, so let's see how the market performs. Bye bye, take care.